So kaliwa kami, na turn left. Ito. Ito pala, isahan na. So we just enter the gate. Ito may pila ng mga sasakyan.
Take the next left.
80 meters. I think ito, nakapila. So if you're bringing a car, ito, linya ka dito sa kaliwa. Yung taking yung Roro. Ito siya. Ayan. So, medyo malakas yung ilaw lang. So this area is for vehicles, no? Taking the Roro to nauna dyan yung Calapan eh. So yun yung ano to, yung Roro na sasakyan namin. This is gate 2. No? Take note for those taking Roros. Gate 2 of the Batangas Port, yung mga Roro going to, di ko mabasa but yung nauna is yung Calapan, no? Calapan. Non-Roro, ayan, non-Roro sa kabila. Kala ko may nauna. Pumipila. So we have 2, 4, 5 vehicles, no, ahead of us. Time check is 7:23. Yung Roro na hinahabol namin is 7:30. So mukhang malabo na yan. Yung Ocean Jet may, no? So we'll be taking yung Montenegro na yung 8 AM. Magandang, it's a very good alternative na port, no, sa Port of Manila.
Pascat is 7:30.
7:30 ba? Yung Pascat? Okay.
Montenegro is 8.
Pascat pala yung
Ocean
7:30.
Jet is 9:20.
So if you miss yung Montenegro,
Starlight is 9 o'clock.
marami pang options pala kami.
We do the 8 o'clock or the 9 o'clock.
Okay.